And we're back with another knife review. Today it's going to be the Bastion Blitz. Bastion has done a full line of affordable EDC knives this year, trying to increase their, I guess, volume. We're going to start off with this one. It's the black on black Bastion Blitz. We'll go over the specs and then show you how the knife cuts. The blade material on this knife is D2. The handle material is G10. It is a liner lock. It's a thumb stud flipper. Whoops. There we go. It is 7.75 inches overall. The blade length is 3.3. Cutting area is 3.25. The blade width is 0.875. The handle length is almost 4.5 inches. It uses ceramic bearings. And it weighs only 4 ounces. It has a milled stainless steel liner, room for a lanyard hole. It has the see-through chassis, utilizes 3 barrel spacers. Of course, it's a dual thumb stud. Has a pocket clip. Be tip-up carry. Non-reversible. Of course, it has a black coated blade. We'll go ahead and bring some stuff out here and let's get this thing cutting. Since it is D2, I'm sure it's going to just cut very smoothly, right through whatever you put in front of it. I am very interested to see how this knife does in stabbing. As you can see there, it cut the paracord very smoothly. We'll show it cutting some cardboard. As you can see, it goes through real easy. Not bad. The blade is a little thicker right in this area. So as you can tell, if you keep that area out, it cuts right across smoothly. If you go in a little deeper, has a little more resistance, but still cuts very smoothly. So this knife here is the Bastion Blitz. Just to recap, G10, liner lock, thumb stud flipper, opens very easily. If you guys that are watching us on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to our channel and you'll receive all kinds of video content. We do 5-minute videos, 1-minute quick looks, and we do our weekly show. I don't think you'd want to miss any. On that note, Bastion Blitz, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.